Ever looked in the mirror and wondered, why am I not losing weight even though I'm cutting back on sugar? You're not alone. The connection between glucose, our body's main source of energy, and weight gain is a complex one. Today, we'll debunk some myths and reveal the science behind how glucose affects our fat storage. Let's start with understanding glucose. It's a simple sugar, the fuel that powers our cells. When we eat carbohydrates, our body breaks them down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. This rise in blood sugar triggers the pancreas to release insulin. Think of insulin as the key that unlocks the door to our cells, allowing glucose to enter and be used for energy. It's not the villain, but the mismanagement that's problematic. Here's where things get interesting. When we consume excessive amounts of sugary foods or refined carbohydrates, our blood sugar spikes dramatically. This surge overwhelms the insulin response. Our body starts pumping out more insulin than necessary, leading to a state called hyperinsulinemia. Hyperinsulinemia creates a double whammy effect. First, it promotes fat storage. With all that extra glucose floating around, our cells become less receptive to insulin's message. This condition, known as insulin resistance, makes it harder for glucose to enter the cells and be used for energy. The body, in a state of confusion, starts storing the excess glucose as fat, particularly in the belly area. Second, hyperinsulinemia can suppress fat burning. Remember, insulin acts like a lock and key, but it also signals the body to stop burning fat for fuel as long as glucose is readily available. This creates a cycle where we're constantly shuttling between highs and lows in blood sugar and insulin, hindering our ability to shed those unwanted pounds. Now, before you swear off carbs entirely, here's the good news. Not all glucose is created equal. The key lies in choosing the right types of carbohydrates. Simple sugars found in sugary drinks, processed snacks, and white bread cause those rapid blood sugar spikes we discussed. These are the ones to minimize. Opt for complex carbohydrates instead. Think whole grains, fruits, in moderation, and vegetables. These foods contain fiber, which slows down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing that dramatic spike. This steadier rise in blood sugar allows your body to utilize glucose efficiently, reducing the risk of fat storage and promoting satiety, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. It's also important to note that weight gain is influenced by several factors beyond just glucose. Total calorie intake and physical activity play a crucial role. Even with a balanced diet, if you're consuming more calories than you burn, weight gain is likely. So, what can you do to manage your glucose levels and promote healthy weight management? Focus on a balanced diet. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources. Limit sugary drinks and processed foods. Opt for water and unsweetened beverages. Read food labels. Pay attention to sugar content and choose whole foods over processed options. Incorporate fiber. Fiber helps regulate digestion and slows down glucose absorption. Move your body. Regular exercise improves insulin sensitivity and helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Get enough sleep. Studies suggest sleep deprivation can disrupt hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which influence appetite and metabolism. Remember, managing weight isn't about demonizing a single nutrient. It's about understanding how your body processes food and making informed choices. By making small, sustainable changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can optimize your glucose metabolism and create a healthier, more balanced relationship with food. Here are some additional tips. Don't skip meals. This can lead to overeating at the next meal. Practice mindful eating. Eat slowly and savor your food. Manage stress. Chronic stress can raise cortisol levels, promoting fat storage. Stay hydrated. Water helps regulate body functions and can reduce cravings.